The High Court in London has become the epicenter of explosive drama once again. Prince Harry's long-running legal battle against Associated Newspapers Limited reached a stunning new twist. On February 3 and 4, 2026, explosive testimony rocked the ongoing trial. Private investigator Gavin Burrows took the stand as a pivotal witness. He claimed that members of Harry's legal team sent him a chilling death threat. Burrows specifically pointed the finger at Graham Johnson, a key investigator for the Duke. Johnson, a former journalist with a controversial past, allegedly delivered the menacing message. The court heard that Burrows received a voicemail containing the alleged threat. He played the recording in session, leaving the courtroom in stunned silence. In the message, a voice warned Burrows about severe consequences if he continued cooperating. Burrows described the call as deeply intimidating and genuinely frightening. He said it made him fear for his personal safety and that of his family. The investigator now refuses to disclose his current location for security reasons. He remains abroad, citing ongoing risks tied to his involvement in the case. Burrows worked for years as a private eye, gathering information for tabloids. His testimony forms a cornerstone of Harry's claims against the Daily Mail publisher. The Duke accuses Associated Newspapers of unlawful information gathering over decades. Methods allegedly included phone hacking, blagging, surveillance, and more. Burrows previously admitted to some of these tactics in earlier statements. Yet now he insists his signed 2021 witness statement was entirely fabricated. He claims his signature was forged and he never confessed to phone hacking. This dramatic U-turn has thrown the entire case into fresh turmoil. Another member of Harry's team, Dan Waddell, immediately countered Burrows' version. Waddell testified that the voice on the recording actually belongs to Burrows himself. He accused the investigator of manufacturing the threat to discredit Johnson's side. This counterclaim suggests a possible attempt at sabotage or deflection. The judge must now decide whose account holds more credibility under scrutiny. Forensic audio experts are expected to analyze the voicemail in coming days. Their findings could prove decisive in determining authenticity. The controversy stems from massive payments revealed in court documents. Graham Johnson admitted his team paid 6 individuals for cooperation. Burrows received a substantial sum, £75,000, for his testimony. He now alleges those funds came with pressure and coercion. Harry's lawyers deny any improper conduct or threats whatsoever. They insist all payments were legitimate and properly documented. The Duke of Sussex sits among other high-profile claimants in this lawsuit. Sir Elton John, David Furnish, Elizabeth Hurley, and others join the action. Each alleges their privacy was systematically invaded by unlawful means. Associated Newspapers vigorously denies the accusations leveled against them. Their legal team argues the claims rely on unreliable or invented evidence. They point to inconsistencies in Burrows' shifting statements as proof. The publisher maintains that no phone hacking ever occurred on their watch. This trial follows years of bitter royal press warfare involving Prince Harry. Since stepping back from royal duties in 2020, he has pursued multiple cases. His book Spare detailed deep paranoia over media surveillance and intrusion. Harry described feeling constantly watched, tracked, and targeted. Meghan Markle has spoken of racist and invasive press campaigns against her. The couple relocated to California seeking peace and privacy. Yet legal battles keep pulling them back into the British spotlight. Critics accuse Harry of waging a personal vendetta against the tabloid press. Supporters view him as a courageous reformer exposing systemic abuse. The payments controversy has fueled accusations of hypocrisy on both sides. How can a team fighting unlawful practices use large cash incentives? Defenders counter that such payments are standard to secure whistleblower testimony. Without them, powerful media empires might escape accountability forever. The courtroom atmosphere remains tense and highly charged. Reporters pack the public gallery, capturing every heated exchange. Live coverage streams across global news networks and social platforms. YouTube channels dissect each day's developments with millions tuning in. Comment sections explode with polarized opinions and heated debates. Some praise Harry's persistence in holding power to account. Others slam the Sussexes for dragging the monarchy through endless litigation. Elizabeth Hurley attended earlier sessions, showing quiet solidarity. Doreen Lawrence and Sadie Frost also feature among the determined claimants. Each story adds layers to the broader narrative of press intrusion. The Leveson inquiry once examined similar allegations years ago. Many felt recommendations were never fully implemented or enforced. Now this case revives those old wounds with fresh evidence and drama. Paul Dacre, former Daily Mail editor, faces renewed scrutiny over past denials. His sworn statements are challenged by the evolving testimonies. A loss for Associated Newspapers could trigger enormous financial damages. Reputational harm might prove even more devastating long-term. For Harry, victory would validate his crusade against unethical journalism. Yet any proven misconduct by his own team could severely undermine that cause. The judge must weigh conflicting accounts with meticulous care. Burroughs' appearance, whether in person or via secure video link, looms large. His cross-examination promises fireworks in the weeks ahead. If the death threat claim holds up, it could shift momentum dramatically. Conversely, proof of fabrication might discredit his entire testimony. The stakes could hardly be higher for everyone involved. Media analysts predict this trial will reshape press privacy laws. It may force publishers to confront long-buried practices once and for all. Harry's determination shows no sign of waning despite mounting complexity. He remains resolute in his quest for truth and accountability. The coming sessions will reveal whether justice favors one side or exposes flaws on both. Observers worldwide hang on every word from the High Court. This saga blends royalty, betrayal, money, and alleged threats seamlessly. It captivates audiences hungry for real-life courtroom intrigue. Prince Harry's fight continues to unfold in dramatic fashion. The death threat allegation has ignited a firestorm of speculation. Only time, evidence, and judicial wisdom will uncover what truly happened. Until then, the world watches London's High Court with breathless anticipation. The battle lines are drawn, the stakes enormous, the outcome uncertain. This chapter in the royal media war may prove the most explosive